Right guys, Edshed, really hot day. I mean really stinkingly hot day. And as I think you're probably aware, if you've watched my channel, you know I've got a Mk2 Jag. And it's blue. And for years the bottoms of the doors have been looking slightly edgy. It wasn't until we realised the brakes were jamming on, as you probably saw in the video, that I realised just how bad the doors are. The driver's door at the bottom is non-existent. So I mean, I could skin it. I could probably do a skin. I've got some of this stuff, which is I don't know what they're selling more, but it used to be, and it's door bottom repair, which I think is quite interesting. So the back door being the driver's back door being the worst. So what we've done is I've chopped it out, and it's gone. Now it's really nasty. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try and use this to repair the outer part and get me, and then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to chop out some of this and repair from about here right there with some more metal, and then make up the corner in, because this is quite sound and he's shot blasted, so it's quite nice. So that's the mission. Now obviously from that point of view, then the whole thing's going to have to be painted again, because they are marking up quite nicely. Plus there's the usual great big bogey there, which turns into one of those. Now you might say, Pray, why have I got so many doors? Well, the reason I got so many doors is I've been looking through my supplies and I found these two. Now these two are three. Did he go and get another one? No, that's another one that needs a repair on the bottom. Again, just a few repairs on the bottom. So I tell myself. But these are being repaired, and they've been done with galvanised. That's galvanised steel now. So I'm sort of erring towards the fact that these aren't too bad, apart from being the wrong colour. So we've gone through that issue and sort of realised that it might be easier, because colour change the driver's doors, because the other driver's doors got a great big hole on the bottom as well. So the drivers and the passenger doors on the said car, the blue car, are nasty. So if I could do a pair of doors, just a matter of colour changing them, it'll save me a lot of stress, because I've only got to repair one door. So from that point of view, that all sounded great. As you can see, there's hundreds of stupid little screws and nails and, oh god, you name it, it's in here. Now, I was a bit worried these could be S-type doors, but I don't think they are. So, for that point of view, I think they are Mark II, and if they're not Mark IIs, then they're going to be going on. Now, as everybody is aware, Mark II Jags door gaps are horrendous, and they're really difficult. And if you've got a set of gaps that are any good with the doors you've got, you're probably better off trying to keep the ones you've got. So I'm gonna possibly repair the door anyway, but it's just a matter of, in the hottest day of the goddamn year, and that one's done, that one's made ready, needs rust killing. That one I haven't touched apart from looked at the bottom of it and it's hideous. This one I've chopped and diced, marked, ready for joddle, swage, full of filler, blah blah blah, and I've cut a piece, including my hand. This one just is cleaning out, threads cleaning out. This one, get the glass clean out, threads cleaning out, and it's made down there on the floor. I think we just laid the bottom there. I've got one more repair section, along with a load of other rubbish that possibly is what's left out of there. I might have enough to repair maybe one really nasty door. So I might still have enough to repair one of these doors. I haven't decided which. Like, I'm sort of erring on the side of repairing that one, which is the original, with a repair panel with one of these, because I think there's enough on the bottom of it to get to. And then I don't know, or maybe I'll do those. I'll try these first. Let's try to see. You've got to clean all these threads out and get these plates loose and get the muck and centuries out from them. They're actually really straight, although they have had a massive galvanised repair panel put in the bottom of them, as you can see. That's why they haven't rusted again, because it's galvanised. Part of them is rusted where it's not galvanised. So, that looks like that's been, I reckon, gas welded in, brazed possibly. So, anyway. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I'm just changing the bits and pieces, and as I said before, I've got to do this. I don't want to do it, but I've got to do it. Otherwise, they won't get done. If they don't get done, then they never will get done. So I think before I embark on my next project, I'm sort of going to say I'm going to do it. All right. So that's it. So from that point of view, guys, get ready, because we're going to be doing Jaguar doors and Jaguar door fitting, and then we might do some Jaguar welding. And then we'll see. Anyway, so for the minute, guys, this is me signing off from the incredibly warm Edshed, and I mean, if it keeps on like this, well, I think I might move somewhere cold, like, I don't know, there's nowhere to go, there's nowhere cold, is there? No, so let's not bother. Right, okay, so, yeah, that's how bad they rust, that's how they go, and what you do is you just cut yourself, scag yourself. I already managed to do that because I got my shorts on, I took a chunk out my leg. So, anyway, as I said, guys, hope you enjoyed them. I know this isn't what everyone's wanting me to do, but this is just something I've got to get done. And I've got to get this fixed as well, because my lift has broken. So, that's on the list as well. Right, talk to you soon, guys. Bye for now.